Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the basic features of the ReachUC smartphone app. ReachUC is available for download on your iOS or Android phone. Once downloaded, open the app to get started. Enter your username and password to log in. The first time you log in, it will run you through a quick setup. Select Allow Notifications. Select OK for access to your contacts. Select I agree to the terms and conditions. Your app is now set up and ready for use. On the keypad screen, enter the number and then press the call icon. While in a call, press the Add Call icon. Dial the number and press the call icon. Now, press the join icon and all parties are in the call. Press the history icon. This will display a list of recent calls. Select the entry you wish to dial. Press the call icon twice to redial the last number entered. Hold is personal and does not allow the line to be picked up by anyone else. While in a call, press the hold icon to put the call on hold. Press the hold icon again to resume the call. While in a call, press the transfer icon. Enter the number, and then press the call icon to complete the transfer. While in a call, press the attended transfer icon. Enter the number, and press the call icon. When the person answers, announce the call and select transfer to complete the attended transfer. Dial 5001 to access voicemail. The first time you access voicemail, it will begin a tutorial walking you step by step on recording your name and greetings. When you have a new voicemail, it will alert you at the top of your screen on how many voicemails you have. Press the voicemail icon to access and listen to your voicemails. Dial the page extension, then press the call icon. Say your page, and then hang up. Press the Midwest Dial Tone icon at the top. You can toggle Do Not Disturb on and off by pressing the Do Not Disturb icon. With Do Not Disturb enabled, it will silence all calls and your app will not ring. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at midwestdialtone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.